Alright. Good morning, good morning. Today's my birthday. Yes, yes. Thank you, thank you. But took a trade today. Ended up losing. Put executions on. When I first took this trade, I thought it was a good trade, but after looking at it and seeing what went wrong, noticed it wasn't really a good trade. And I'm gonna get straight into it. So I was coming in the day bullish because I don't even want to look at ES. ES looks ugly. But we had this bullish SMT right here with ES. ES took out those lows right here. And we retraced into this hourly fair value gap. And we're just like overall respecting bullish, making higher highs and higher lows. And so that's why I was bullish. Had some nice draws, these stacked highs right here, and then potentially this hourly gap. But I ended up taking a short today. I got caught up on the lower time frames. On the 5 minute and the 1 minute, just seeing this displacement after this also kind of spooked me. Not spooked me, but kind of had me, not kind of, it made me have more conviction in shorts. Taking out this high, seeing displacement after reacting off that sweep of those highs, and then seeing, okay, now we have a draw that we have. But yeah, ES was the more bearish asset. That's why I took it on ES. But I mean, going back onto the 1 hour on ES, just very ugly range that we're in, and I don't perform well in ranges. And it's not like you can't trade ranges; you just have to account for the range. But overall, it just wasn't a good trade. My draw on liquidity was this protected low that was inside of fair value gap, and considering we're in a range, not ideal, not good, not a good trade at all. And so I just wanted a retracement to a 5 minute gap and then target this low. Just not a good load. That means protected. That's why we didn't hit it. We edged the, not even edged, but we made a higher low. And so, but yeah, just horrible conditions I was trading in. And yeah, 5 minute, I entered off this displacing candle. We didn't even inverse this gap. We like made equal closure, whatever you want to say. But yeah, I did a limit order. I didn't want to entry all the way here. It wasn't gonna be a good R, so placed a limit order around here and got filled. I was gonna go break even at these lows, but yeah, ended up making this 15-minute gap right here, which I thought it was like, if that gets hit and then it goes to my draw, it would have been cool. But just looking at it now, looking at it logically, it just wasn't a good trade. There's a reason why I lost this trade. It wasn't just a good loss or just a loss you take in everyone's edge. It wasn't just a regular loss. It wasn't a good loss. So definitely something to journal. I mean, I already journaled, but yeah, something to remember and just know for the future. So this was my pre-market bias. Bullish. I have a few bullish confluences lined up. High time frame SMT making higher highs, higher lows, respecting bullish gaps, like I already said. But yeah, I got to take full responsibility for this trade. It just wasn't good. It's something I need to learn from. And yeah, just the whole idea was not good. But that's what happens. You take dumb trades. Sometimes you take dumb trades. You have to learn from it and not make the mistake again. So this is just horrible range. Just hard to even look at, but I have to be honest with myself and yeah, see it how it is and move on. So yeah, God bless.